Hey guys, so I just got back from Walmart? Yeah, that too. I went to Walmart first, but I went to Starbucks and I got this. Ah, this is when did y'all hear that? That was definitely my ring just went across my microphone. Sorry if that's just startled y'all, but I got this, and this is the Caramel Ribbon Crunch. I never heard of this one. I looked at the menu multiple times. I didn't see it before. I'm sure it's been there, but I never noticed this. So it's called Caramel Ribbon Crunch. I have not tried it. As y'all know, it was beautiful. The barista did such a great job when she first gave it to me. But my time, like driving here, it makes it melt. Even in the wintertime, because I got the heater on. And so you can see at the top, it was so pretty. She did such a good job. Had all the caramel on the top, and you can see how it's got the caramel on the bottom. She put some Crispies in the next to the caramel, and then she put some more stuff in there, and it was really, really cool looking. And I'm like, oh, I wish I could drink it like right then and there with y'all, but it's nighttime, and I was going to use my cell phone to record, but I said I hate the way that quality looks. I don't have my microphone, and I like this, so I wait till we get home. It's melted, but I still am looking forward to trying it, and I wouldn't even taste it. Not one little taste till I get home and can do it with y'all. See? Didn't even unwrap my straw. So let us begin. And oh, something different happened this time at my my local Starbucks. Look at this. They actually put my name on it. Oh, they never do. It's not like that. A whole bunch of people go to that one, and they had my name. And I was like, oh my gosh. What's crazy is she actually spelled it right. It looks like, wait, that's how you spell my name, right? Wait. Oh, she got the A. I was like, that's sad. I didn't know how to spell my own name. What does that say about me? What does that say? But, it was close. I can tell she was close to getting it right, but still, it's so cool. That is so cool. Nobody ever gets to put my name, and she was close. So, let us try it. This is Caramel Ribbon Crunch. Oh, that's good. I like this one. Wow. That almost tastes like butterscotch. That is really good. I love it. Wow. That is so freaking good. I recommend this. That's good. If you are a caramel lover, you'll love this. It's got plenty of caramel. I thought the crunch would like get in the way. It does not, which surprises me. That is so good. I thought there was like caramel stuck in my mouth, but no, it was just I ate a French fry. But no, it's so freaking good. Okay, this is the bit. Also, this is the biggest you can get. This is the largest. Okay, so it tastes like butterscotch. It is sweet. It's close to being too sweet, but I like over sweet things. So it's like lots of caramel. There's no hint of coffee in it. I don't taste any hint of coffee at all. It is refreshing. It is cool. It is just, I love it. It is good. I love it. It's got enough sweetness in it. It's definitely the main taste is butterscotch. It's like a butterscotch caramel. I'm like about to start like purring butterscotch like Cardi B. Okay, oh wait, how she do it? How does Cardi B do it? Okay, I can't do it. So y'all do it for me. But either way, it's good. See, guys, it's all like Cardi B. It is good. This is a good freaking drink. I love it. I gotta taste this again for y'all. I don't drink most of it. Oh my gosh, what's that? It's foam. I drank, like, it's only like this much left. Oh man, maybe this much. I don't drink most of it. Okay, I always feel too long, but definitely go try the Caramel Ribbon Crunch. It is delicious. I will talk to y'all guys hopefully later with more reviews. You know, before I start this video, let me try some of the top part for y'all, because it's called crunch. I'll try some of the poofy part. Like any crunch? Ooh, I got some of the crunch. Oh, that's even more delightful. I thought the crunch was going to be like toffee. You know how toffee gets stuck in the teeth and it's like really annoying? That didn't get stuck in the teeth. That is even better than I thought. That was actually more so like a cookie. The crunch is not like toffee. It's cookie crunch. Oh, it is. I know it tastes. It is a giant Snickers bar. Not Snickers. Twix. This is a giant Twix bar. Stifling the belch. It's so good. I love it. 10 out of 10. I might get this again. I got my K-Pops too. Wait a second. I'm not going to try to eat it right now. But I got my K-Pops. My favorite. If y'all ever want to go get K-Pop, I recommend the pink. The pink is the best. The K-Pop pink. Get that one. That's very good. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hopefully more reviews. And let me know if y'all got a favorite flavor of Starbucks. Check my other videos, see if I already drank it, and then let me know and I might try it. Okay, guys. Oh, and let me know also in the comments, do y'all like when I eat the cake pop? Even if I've already eaten it or I've already tried it before, do y'all want to see me eat it again? I don't know, because I'm like, that's kind of redundant, but I do enjoy them, so let me know. Okay, guys, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.